What is up, guys? We back with another video, man, and today we're going to be looking at this Vivitar battery grip for the Canon 90D. Now on the top it says it's for the 70 and the 80D, but I'm pretty sure it's going to work for the 90D. All right, now I wanted a battery grip so that I can get a little bit more usage out of the Canon 90D. And you guys know I always say this, I'm always trying to make sure I maximize my gear, put it through its paces so that I don't leave no stone unturned when it comes to my gear. All right, so that's what we're going to be looking at today. I'll make sure I drop a link in the description where you can pick this up from. Now, quick reference, guys, I'm using the front-facing camera on the iPhone 12 with the Vega VM50 microphone. So if you guys see me looking at the screen from time to time, just work with me. I don't have the ZV-1 right now to do this talking head, so we're going to have to work with what we got. All right, so Canon 90D is on deck right here as well. And just like maybe another video ago, we took a look at the DB LPE6 batteries by Newer. And one of the main reasons why I got these batteries is because I knew I wanted to get a battery case, well, a battery, grip, and I didn't want to mix Canon batteries with these Newer batteries. So these two Newer batteries that you guys already seen are going to be primarily in the battery grip. Now, if I need to use them solo in the camera, I will, but they're primarily for the grip. And the reason why is because the Canon battery, it says 7.2 volts at 1865 milliamps and 14 watts. And this Newer battery says 7.4 volts, 2000 milliamps at 14.8 watts. And what I don't want to do is mix these two batteries into the battery grip and run it in my camera. I would prefer to just run both of these Newer batteries in the actual grip and call it a day. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to open this box. We're gonna do this all right here, real simple and easy. And again, I'll make sure I put a link in the description for you guys. All right, so opening up the box, let's move that out of the way. Right here on the bottom, this is what we got. We're just gonna go ahead and open all this. So here's like the tray for the actual LP. Look like the LPE6 batteries should go in here. All right, it's looking like they should go in there. So that's what we got. That's tray number one. Has a little open, little symbol on this side right here. But this is the first tray. All right. We also have a user manual right here as well. I'm just knocking stuff over today, guys. So give me a second. I'm all over the place right now, but it is what it is. So little manual, move that out of the way. And then right here we have, last but not least, it's looking like we have the battery grip itself. Let's go ahead and take this out. Some plastic off, extra plastic, and another little plastic cap piece on the top. So this is the actual battery grip itself right here. It says Vivitar right here on the inside, right there. If you guys can see that, it says Vivitar. It says grip, fits the 70 and the 80D, but I'm hoping it's gonna go ahead and fit for the 90D. Got a little open slot there. It says open. And you got like some controls right here. Got your scroll wheel and all of that good stuff, man. If you want, I think that might be like even ISO or shutter, depending on how this grip is set up. On the back right there, it says on and off, so you can turn this grip on and off so that you can use these buttons and stuff right there. So I think that's a good look as well. And then right here, you can take your door off of the 90D and you can store it there. So let's grab these two batteries right quick. I'm trying to do this as quick as possible because I know you guys seen these battery grips before, and it's not like it's something all over the top, you know what I mean? So you take one battery right here, if you drop one in just like that. So that's one battery. Let's go ahead and drop the second battery in here. I think you drop this one in this way, just like, let me see, just like this. Did I get it in correctly? It's looking like, oh, it's not seated correctly. So it's looking like we have to do it just like this. There we go. So we got both batteries in the grip, just like that. Well, in the bottom grip, in the tray, I guess. So this is what it looks like right here. Both batteries, all right? And once you get the batteries in right here, you'll take your grip right here and you'll open up the bottom, twist this right here, and you'll pull out the second tray. Now this tray right here is made for AA batteries or something to that effect. So you can put some AA batteries in here. You can get a little bit more juice as well. So if you run out of your E6 batteries, your LPE6s, you can just throw some AA's in here as well. So we're not gonna use this one for right now, but that one comes in the bottom of the grip, all right? So you'll just take this one right here and you'll slide it in. You'll open this up right here, slide it in, turn it just like this. And once you get it turned, you'll lock it into place and boom, good to go just like that. All right, so now I can already feel a little bit of weight on here. So from there, all you have to do now is take off the door on the Canon 90D, take out your battery, and to take off the door, you just pull it out just like that. And then there's a spot here. If I do this correctly on the first try, there's a spot here that looks like you can place this battery door. Let me see if I can do this right, just like that. And you can put your battery door right there for storage. As you can see, I'm looking at the screen, guys. You got to work with me now. And that's how that's going to look right there. All right. And then from here, all you do is take your Canon 90D and you place this in just like this. Ooh, look at me, guys, making mistakes. We take off this, making mistakes. All right. So all you do is take this, stick it in just like that, slide it in. And from here, you'll turn this little knob until it gets really, really tight, just like that, to lock it in place. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And just like that, we are locked into place. Let me get it all the way tight. Let's make sure we get this thing all the way nice and tight, all right? Here we go. Just like that. We don't want no gaps. There we go. So now that we got the battery grip installed, this is what it looks like right here. You can turn it this way. You can use these controls as well. And if you guys want to see like another video on this, man, I could go a little bit more in depth, but I just wanted to kind of unbox this thing and show it to you guys. But this is what it looks like on the Canon 90D. It makes it a little bit more heavier, but it gives it a little bit more a little bit more grip too. And again, you could turn it this way and use these controls and so forth. But the main thing is to see if this actually works. Let's go ahead and see if we can get a little bit of power. All right, so we're not going to turn the battery grip on because right now we're not going to use any of these functions, because again, I'm just trying to show you guys what this look like and just make sure this thing is working and so forth. All right, so let's go ahead and see if we can get this thing to turn on. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. And just like that, we got power. As you can see, we got power and everything seems to be functioning. And even if I was to turn this on, which I said I wasn't, but why not, right? So even if I turn the battery grip on, now I can actually go right here, turn it this way. And if you notice down here, you can see the shutter. Let's see it moving right there. So I'm sliding the wheel and you can see it moving right down there. You see that? So we do know that we got some functionality right there as well. So I'm gonna turn that back off. But anyway, this is what it looks like. We now have dual batteries running in the Canon 90D. So if I sit this on a tripod, because we still got the screw, then I got at least 2 batteries in here and I can just, record for a good while. So I'm ready to take this out and just kind of try it out in the wild and see how it is. And I will come back at a later time and give you guys like my full on thoughts, and we'll go through this thing just a little bit more. And I'll tell you guys what I like about it, what I don't like about it. But right now, I just wanted to unbox this thing and let you guys see it. Let you guys know that we are maximizing the gear. And yeah, I'll be back with another video, guys. All right, so hopefully you found this video to be helpful. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your man, Jay. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.